What the heck is that? What the heck? That's completely crazy. What the heck? Can you hear that? What is that? It stopped. What was that? That was crazy. Okay, someone please tell me what that was. Or if you could hear it. It sounded kind of like an animal coughing. It was kind of creepy. It was really crazy sounding. There's something random over there. I think it's a deer. But it's gone. No, there it is actually right there. You can sort of see it. Can you see it? That little thing right there. Was that the... I don't even know if that's the deer. I think that's it, but that's probably a tree. So if you, hopefully you could hear that. What was that? It's crazy.